it's not so easy to answer. It's not, oh, there's this thing with these three bullet points, and if you do these, you're working mindfully. It's really a way of being in work. Uh, from the outside, it can maybe look exactly the same as anybody who's working. But it's sort of this inner orientation and this attitude that then gets expressed outwardly and affects things outwardly. I really see it as concentric circles. The more mindful we can be as an individual, the more likely that those that we interact with, those immediately, a concentric circle out, but then also greater teams. And wherever we are embedded in our work, if it's in a large company or a small company, I really see mindful work and working mindfully as that capacity to be awake to, in a sense, what's not seen. When we talk about culture, we talk about relationships. There's this space between that should feel spacious.